the seat. Look what's on her arm. A ladybug with tiny charm. Spots to count, 1, 2, 3. Mila giggles happily.
Ladybug.
Mila's garden holiday. Fun and games all through the day. Swinging, splashing, slime and sun. Mila's day is full of fun. Splash, splash, the pool is cool. Mila's jumping in with rule. Oh no, what floats nearby? A funny croc says, hi, hi, hi! Bugs and snails on garden ground. Butterflies are dancing round. Hi, little snail. Mila says slow, then off she goes, ready to go.